Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model one simple object in Blender, and then I'm going to texture it also in Blender. Very simple object in Blender. So let's start. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more gaming videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.